Hey guys, in this video I am building spider robot. The spider robot you are watching now is the robot I have already built 5 years ago, and that robot is not remote controlled and it's a basic circuit that has 4 legs. So I am thinking to make an upgraded version of that. So I am adding 6 legs to the spider robot and IoT, also known as Internet of Things, to that robot. Now I am making 3D CAD, also known as 3-dimensional computer aided design. I am using Tinkercad website to make 3D CAD model. Tinkercad is an online 3D modeling software. It is easy to use for beginners. I am using cardboard as the chassis for the spider robot, and I will use 3 servos for 6 legs. I will keep Arduino UNO and NodeMCU between the servos. I'll use thin aluminium wire for making legs. The 3D CAD model is ready. Okay guys, now I am designing a circuit for this project. I am using Fritzing software. Fritzing is an open source where you can design your electronic circuits and hardware circuits. I'll use NodeMCU to send signals and Arduino to receive signals, and send a signal to servos to move their legs as programmed, and a mini breadboard to connect the whole circuit and some jumper wires. And I will use 3 volts rechargeable lithium battery, which is lightweight and compact for the power source. And I will provide all parts links and circuit link in the description. The spider robot circuit is ready. Okay guys, now open the Play Store and install the Blynk App, and sign into the account in the Blynk App, and tap on the create project and type a project name, and select NodeMCU as hardware, and click on the OK, and click on create button, and click on add button, and you can customize the button shape and size. Click on the button, select pin D0, and 021023 is the output, and click on the switch. You can customize the colors and text size of the button. The Blynk App is very useful for IoT based projects. The Blynk App will control NodeMCU, and NodeMCU will control Arduino, and Arduino will control servos. Okay guys, after building the spider robot, you have to upload the code. I have given two links in the description. The first one is Arduino UNO code link. You have to upload the code to Arduino UNO. And the second link is NodeMCU code link. You have to add some details to it before you upload it, like Wi-Fi name, Wi-Fi password, and authentication code you got from Blynk in your mail. And if you face any problem during uploading or while making the project, just comment below the video.